love that woman.
Oh, she totally pegs you, doesn't she? Oh, yeah! Way to show off, Mills!
Is Max okay?
Oh, yeah. He's fine.
This is funny. I'm so drinky.
Okay, this is too wholesome for my liking.
Blitzo.
Oh, perfect. That must be the whores.
That was handled rather obvious, don't you think?
I don't think this belongs to any of us. Would be a shame if anyone found out you guys were behind a giant monster fish in the human world.
Oh, Satan, you're gonna be so fucked.
Yeah, well, you three nasty-ass gremlins will be in shit for not being in disguises.
A human called me a possum. I am not a possum.
You know, we could keep this little B-movie scene on the down low if you agree to let us use that parking space.
Fine.
We fucking won!
Fuck yes!
In your face, bitch!
Come on, let's get out of here. Tex,